I have a pretty long list of fake Facebook profiles that I'm tracking, and when I've convinced myself that they are suspicious, I report them to Facebook. And I recognize the patterns, but it's rather difficult to explain to other people what I'm looking at. So I wanted to look at one account and show how many ways we can find out that it's suspicious. This is Brianna Smith. According to this, Brianna Smith works at New York Yankees and studied at New York University and lives in New York. And her profile consists of a lot of pictures of her and a US Truthwire post and some more pictures. Well, these pictures look rather professional, so I want to look into them more. I'm going to click on her photos and we're going to search to see if we can't find them somewhere else. So we'll search Google for images. This best guess is Amy Willerton hot photo shoot. Well, that's definitely a bikini photo shoot. They're saying it's in Australia. Let's look at another one. Another picture of her. This one, best guess is bust selfie. And then more stories about Amy Willerton shows off her best assets as she strips down to her bra. Daily Mail covered this. Can we find that picture of her? There it is. Well, let's look for another one. How about this one? Best guess for this is bikini. More Amy Willerton dons a red bikini. Well, look at this. This is the same person. Let's see if we can find that same shot. There it is. Wow. So we've discovered that this is probably Amy Willerton that this profile has stolen images from. And if that's the case, then can't be Brianna Smith, can it? If this page loads, we'll look at this picture, see what it tells us. Amy Willerton bikini. So Amy Willerton is apparently a British TV presenter, model, and beauty pageant. So she won Miss Universe Great Britain before. So definitely not Brianna Smith from New York working for the Yankees. That's interesting. And something else I noticed too, this comment is by a suspect account that I have been tracking as well. So when I look at her profile, if I wanted to do the same thing with her, I would click on her photos, but what I would get is some photos that wouldn't necessarily be easily found on Google Images. So we'll just check one, her profile picture, and we'll look for it. Best guess will turn out to be lip. That's not helpful. So we'll look for another one. Her with the baby. Best guess is girl. Sometimes these image searches do not work well, but sometimes they do. Sometimes they show us exactly who somebody is not. And this profile is fake as you get. So when you're in doubt, it might help to find an image search. At least it's a good place to start.